One schoolgirl was raped and sexually assaulted by three men in Chotipara playground on 11 October. The three accused persons has been identified as Mohammed Alam, Akash and Azibul. According to the reports, a girl is coming back from school, but unfortunately she was dragged and raped by three men. Various NGOs, Garo National Council, Garo Jatiya Parishad, Garo Students Union, AHAM, and leaders of the village and Nokmas of the area held an emergency meeting and strongly condemned the incident and demanded to arrest those culprits and give justice to a girl.
We want justice! 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 We want justice!